Today I'm going to show you how to get your Cash App referral code. Here we are on Cash App. This is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, a card where you can spend your balance, a peer-to-peer payment screen, and you can also invest in Bitcoin and stocks. I've noticed lately that a lot more people are interested in Cash App and they want to invite people and earn a little more money. So Cash App has a referral code feature. And if you go to the notifications in the bottom right corner, it'll show a little bit more about this. You can see I have 64 people pending for invitations for the invitation bonus. And I'm getting about $15 for each person that I get to sign up. And to do that, I just put my referral code link on most of my YouTube videos. Also have like a full-length video that explains how to earn some more money on Cash App, so you guys could check that out as well. But right now I'm going to show you how to get your referral code. What you want to do is tap the icon in the top right corner. This is going to show you your profile. Towards the middle of the screen, you'll see invite friends. Go ahead and tap on that. This will give you a list of like your contacts. I'm blurring mine out, of course. But in the top right corner, you'll see a little share icon. Go ahead and tap on that. And then at the bottom there, you can just tap copy. That's gonna copy your referral code and invite link. Now I'm just gonna open up a browser and we can paste this in here at the top. It's gonna give like a bunch of extra text though. So let's just delete all of this text. Okay, it keeps bugging out, but I'm just gonna highlight that and then copy it. That's gonna take you to my little page and it's gonna show that code as well. And we'll have different promotions here. So if you sign up using my link right now, you'll get $5. Yeah, there's how to do it. There's how to get your Cash App referral code, send them the link, and then this is the page that they will come to sign up. But of course, it will say your name and information when they go to sign up. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.